Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to learn how to run sponsored ads for a client. So how do you gain access to a client's account to run Facebook sponsored ads for that client, thereby starting your own ads agency? Now, don't forget, my name is Jacob with Gpex. Without further ado, let's get right into it. Now, running sponsored ads for clients is a very lucrative business. Yeah, it's a way you can start your own ads agency. If you have this skill, you're very good at running sponsored ads. You've run sponsored ads for yourself and it's converting so well. You can make it as a business, as a service to run sponsored ads for other clients, for other people who do not have that skill to run sponsored ads for themselves, or who do not have the time. They are too busy to run their own business. They don't have that time to run sponsored ads for themselves or for the business. You can run sponsored ads for this kind of persons. So that is offering your own service in this case, and you can make a lot of money doing so. Okay, so in this class we are going to learn how to do this, how to achieve this, how to gain access to client accounts and run sponsored ads for them. Now, there are different ways in which you can gain access to a client's account. There are three major ways in which you can do this. Now, number one method is requesting for the client's login details. You call the client, you message the client to request for the client's username and password of that client's Facebook account. Then you log in the client's Facebook account to gain access to the client's business portfolio, business account to run sponsored ads from there. That's method number one. The method number two is linking the client's Facebook page and Instagram page to your own ad account to run sponsored ads for that client using your own ad account. That's method number two. Now, method number three, which we are going to learn in this class, is gaining access to the client account, which includes the client ad account, Facebook page, and Instagram page or Instagram account without requesting for the client's login details. We are not requesting for the client's username, neither are we requesting for the client's password. So all the client needs to do is to add us as a partner, to give us access by adding us as a partner to the client's account. Then we can have access and run sponsored ads for that client. Mind you, this method is very safe because the clients can decide to remove us as that partner anytime the clients wish. And not just that, the benefit accrued to running sponsored ads will also be enjoyed by these clients. Benefit like engagement while running sponsored ads. You can have engagement like likes, comments, shares. The clients will enjoy this. And for transparency as well, because the clients can get to see how much you're spending while running that sponsored ads and how the ads is converting. So without wasting much of our time, let's get right to my screen. So I'll be illustrating with two screens. First is my screen. What you're seeing right here is my screen, is my Facebook account. Okay. Now, what you should do in reality is to call your client. You call your client on a Zoom call to share the screen with you. You share the screen, you can see the client's account. Then you guide the client what to do. So what I'm about to teach you is what you're going to tell the client to do. It's very simple. Okay, it's very, very simple. Or you can as well tell the clients to give you access on a Zoom call, to grant you access that you can have control of that client's computer screen. So you can actually move things and do your own thing yourself through that Zoom call. So if the client can grant you access on the Zoom call, you can as well guide or teach the client what to do, how to grant you access, how to make you a partner. Okay. So now back to my screen. So this is my screen. What you should do first is to get your business ID. You need to get your business portfolio ID to send to your client. And how are you going to get that ID? Is to go to, first you open your Facebook account. Remember that. You open a tab. Then you open business.facebook.com, business.facebook.com. Once open like this, then you can click on settings. So you go to business settings. At the top left corner here, you see business info. You click on it to open the business details. Here you see the business name, Gpex Keys Academy. Just below that, you see business portfolio ID. You see this number here? That is what you're going to send to your client. This is the only thing you should send to your client. So you're going to copy this. You copy it and you send it to your client. Now remember, you're going to call your client on a Zoom call to guide your client what to do, or the client will grant you access on that Zoom call to have control over the system or the PC. Then you can do it yourself. Okay. So, however, just pay attention to what we are going to learn next to know what to do to grant us access to make us a partner. Okay. So now you're going to leave your own screen and go to the client's account. So this is the client's account you see right here. So what you're going to do as well, you go to business.facebook.com to open the business portfolio, business.facebook.com. Then once opened, you click on settings. So what you should do next is to first confirm if the client has a Facebook page. So you click on these pages to see if the client has a Facebook page. Yes, this client has a Facebook page. You click on add account if there is an add account. So yes, this client has an add account. Then you click on Instagram account to confirm. Of course, this client has an Instagram account. Perfect. So this client has everything. If the client has no ad account or Instagram account, you make sure that the ad account is there. You can create one. If there is no Instagram account, you should link one to that, business account. So after confirming this, then you click on partners. You see partners right here. Click on it. You see no partners added yet. So you click on add partner. Give partner access to your assets. So you click on it. You see enter partner business ID. Remember, we copied my business ID. Then again, remember, this is the client's screen. This is the client's page. So the client is doing this, not you. So you've sent your business ID to this client. The client has your business ID. So it is that your business ID the client is going to paste right here. Okay. So you paste the business ID and click on next. So here you see the list of assets you can grant access to. So first is the Facebook page. So you're going to click on this Facebook page. Then you scroll down, you see full control, full access. You click on it to grant me access to that Facebook page. All right. Now, after you've done that, you click on add accounts. Don't click assign yet. Go to add account. Click on it. You see this add account. You click on it. Then you grant full control, full access. Now, the last thing you should do is to click on Instagram account. So you can click on both Instagram account if you wish, but click on it, you grant access. Click on it to grant access. Now, once you've done that for Facebook page, ad account, and Instagram account, then you can click assign assets. You click on it. So because there is a 2FA in this account, you sometimes receive this message. If there is no 2FA, you won't receive this message at all, okay? But since there is in this account, I received a 2FA on my WhatsApp, on the client's WhatsApp, I mean. So you enter this. This is why the client should do all this, because of this security, okay? Now you enter the code and you click on continue. And that is all, guys. That is all on the client's side. The client would need not to do anything any further. So what you need to do is to go back to your own business account. The client is done here. The client is done. Will not do anything further. Okay. So let's go back to our account. This is our account, remember. So what you should do, you click on settings. Let's go to our business settings. Then you can click on these pages to see if you find the pages and the ad account there. You see Blue Ace Emporium is the page we just granted access to. Then if you click on ad account, you as well see the ad account there. The client's ad account. This is the client's ad account. Then if you click on Instagram account, you see the client Instagram account right there. But you can't use it like this. You need to assign yourself to have control over this account. So you should go to people. All right, you go to people. This is me right here. This is you. You click on these three dots, then you click on assign assets. So you see the Facebook page right here. You click on it. Then you have to click on this to gain access to this Facebook page. All right, you can have full control of partial access to this Facebook page. So once you're done, you go to add account. So this is the add account we're granted access to. You can click on it to have full access. Then lastly is the Instagram account. All right, so you can click on these Instagram account. These are the client's Instagram accounts. Then you click on this to have full control of that Instagram account. So once done, you click on assign assets. And that is it, guys. You've gained access to the client's ad account, the client's Facebook page, and the client's Instagram account. So you can click done. Now from here, you're done. So what you need to do from here is to go ahead to run sponsored ads for this client. It's that simple. Now the client don't need to do anything further. The clients don't have to send you any login details, any password, any username. No, it's done here. So now that you've gained access to the client's account, the client's ad account, Facebook page, and Instagram accounts, you can then proceed to run sponsored ads for this client. And how are you going to do that? It's the same way, the same method. So you can proceed to click on Ads Manager. You can click on Campaigns right here to open your Ads Manager. Or you can open a tab and enter business.facebook.com slash ads manager. Is the same thing. So whichever is quicker and better for you, you can follow through because both of them will open your ads manager for you. All right. So once it's opened, you click on this to open your drop down. Then under this Gpex Academy, you see the ad account which we've been given access to. This is our client's ad account, remember, Blue Ace Emporium. So you can click on it. Then the ad account of our client is going to open right here. Now you see that we have access to our client's ad account. So we can proceed to run sponsored ads for these clients. So what you need to do is to simply click on create. So let's say you want to run awareness ads for this client. You click on awareness and you click on continue. And mind you, you can as well fund this ad account. All you have to do is to click on billing and payments. And once opened, you can click on add funds. So you can fund this account from here. You can fund the account. You can run sponsored ads. You can do whatever you want to do with this account. Okay. Your client will as well see everything you're doing on the other end. We'll see how much you're funding, how much you're spending, how the ads is converting. Would see everything. So you see transparency is 100%. Okay. And the client will enjoy the benefit like likes, shares, everything. So this is the best way to have access to a client's account and run sponsored ads for a client. So like I said, you can click on create. If you want to run sponsored ads, click on create. Click on any of these objectives. If you are one of our students in our advanced sponsored ads training class, you should know everything about these campaign objective and what they are used for and the best objective for your business. So you click on it. Then for the ad set, you can simply set it up. So let's just quickly do that. You see the Facebook page right here is still Gpex Academy. You have to click on it and switch it to the client Facebook page. Remember, you're running ad for this client, so it should be the client's Facebook page. It should be the client's Instagram page. Everything about this sponsored ad should be for the client, not yours. Okay. So you click on this drop down. You see right here, Blue Ace Emporium, that's the client's Facebook page. You click on it. All right. Now, once you're done, you can set every other thing up as you wish, depending on what you're running the sponsored ad for. You set it up and you click on next. Then I want to show you the Instagram page. This is the Facebook page, remember. So you can see the Instagram account here, Blue Ace Hair. You can switch from Blue Ace Hair to Blue Ace Perfume because we linked two Instagram accounts to these ad accounts. Remember that. So you can run for hair, you can run for perfumes. Okay. So you set it up, you switch to the client's Instagram account as well. Then you set every other thing up. You insert your ad creative, your ad copy. You insert everything. then you can click on publish. Okay, so that is how you run sponsored ads for a client. It's very simple. All right, it's very simple. That is how you gain access to the client's account and run sponsored ads for that client. So again, I would quickly recap. What you should do first is to copy your own business portfolio ID. You copy it, you send it to the client. Then you call the client on a Zoom call to guide the client how to gain access, how to give you access by adding you as a partner to the client ad account, Facebook page, and Instagram page. It's very simple. Once the client is done with that, the client won't need to do anything else. Okay. Then on your own end, you have to go back to your account to grant yourself access to these assets the clients have granted you access to, whether it's the ad account, Facebook page, or Instagram account. All right. So once you're done with that, you can proceed to run sponsored ads for these clients. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please like this video and hit the subscribe button. And not just that, turn on the notification bell so you can receive, you'll be the first to be notified anytime we post such valuable content. So thank you very much again for this video. My name is Jacob with Gpex. Bless.